everyone. Today we are going to discuss that what is a good UX and what is a bad UX and what are some real life examples of it. Hello everyone, I am Abhi and today I'm going to talk through about what is a good UX, what is a bad UX and what are few things that we can understand it. I'm going to share my views in a way that people will understand the difference as well as the power of a good UX. No matter how beautiful your interface is, if it has a UX issue, then users will not use your product so long they feel frustrated while using the product. That's the reason a very few applications are on the top of the market, because they have been working on their user experience more than their user interface. Nowadays people are trying to focus on user interface, trying to add new trends like new morphism, trying to add shadows, trying to add new and new things. But that is not more important. More important is to fulfill user needs, and user can communicate with the product or the app that you're trying to build, and they can empathize with it, and they can fulfill their needs that they want to do. For example, if I want to create an app where I can book a, let's just say, cab service, so I won't add a button to say that on in the starting only to say that please add a meal with this particular trip. No, right? Because the user came here to book a cab, right? So I need to fulfill that purpose first, and then I need to decide what kind of new features, what kind of new things that I can add in that. So currently I'm trying to show you a real life example of a bad UX and a good UX. So you might be able to see this particular image where both of the interfaces are so good, but people often use the banana more than a pomegranate. Why? So the pomegranate has a bad UX because it is the main purpose of a fruit is what? To eat the fruit, right? Now pomegranate is so difficult to peel off that people have a tendency to not buy it, because there's a good hassle in trying to peel it and then try to eat it up, separate it out and then try to eat it up, right? And same thing happens with the product. Like if you give a if the app is so difficult to control or use, the people might not use that app. The people might try to find some another product which has the similar kind of features but a good UX, right? But in case of banana, the main goal is to eat, so it is so easily to peel off, so easily to throw away the rest of the peel which we won't eat, and everything is so easy. And again, the same thing happens with the product, that whenever we are trying to use an app, if the interface is if the system is so easy and the flow is so easy that I don't have to put extra efforts to use it, then the user will use it more often. And that's why it is so important to have a good UX rather than to represent it very nicely. Obviously representation is important, but the UX comes first. That's why understanding the users, that's why we do our research very extensively using a lot of methods, so that the user needs gets fulfilled in the best way possible. I hope this video gets you out and a good thing. I will read down a link of few articles which you can read about these topics and know more about it. So if you guys want to join our community, the link is in the description. You guys can visit my website. I just launched my website, www.theabhaychopra.com. Yeah, thank you so much. Subscribe to the channel and I will see you in the next one.